That's me. You wonder how I got here? Gotta show you. Okay. Okay. A fork was intended. There we go. Now that's the bite you looking for. Got the sausage, the hash browns, and the eggs. Delicioso. Honestly, if I had some veggies on here, this would be even better. I was a little lazy, I feel like. Oh, I gotta talk about it. I'm eating. The sausage, from the previous video, human sausage, still good. Now, when it was frozen, it was hard to break apart. But besides that, flavor's still there. Still tastes like breakfast sausage. Hash brown's nice and crispy, a little flavorful. Eggs, can't go wrong with eggs. If you don't know how to cook eggs, gotta work on that. But make sure, man, you keep the vibes good and it eats even better. Please like and subscribe. Happy Easter. God is the will, the way, the light. God bless you all. I can see him doing some shit like that. So, we're gonna have the hash browns, the eggs, the sausage right here. Oh, I can see all three. We got the sausage, hash browns here. For the cheese, I'm gonna drop some sharp cheddar cheese in there. Break up the sausage a little bit, like that. Alright. So they're crispy. I just couldn't flip them off. So we're just gonna I like going to Easter though. I like Easter service. We took communion today too. I haven't had communion in a minute. Yeah, I'm gonna throw some cheese on these hash browns. I might join the church, so I should. But like, you gotta go to a class here, talk to the pastor and stuff. And like, I don't really get these people. I don't know. Do I try to like have a community and relationship with them? No. Hash browns are done too. Now let's go plate. So, we're gonna add in our hash browns. Add in our eggs. Then we're gonna add in some sausage. So we're gonna throw a little bit of syrup on it. Now let's go try to find some jobs. Here we go, right here.